Hello, today's Thursday and it's May 14th. Let's sing our months of the year song. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Let's do it again. This time let's do it really fast. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. That was fast. Now let's sing a song that we haven't done in a while, and normally we would do it with our friends on the circle time, but this time we're going to do it with some animals from Australia. Remember, Australia is our continent right here, Australia. And let's see what we have. Willoughby, Wallaby, Miss Wheela, an elephant sat on Miss Sheila. Willoughby, Wallaby, Miss Wheela, an elephant sat on Miss Sheila. Willoughby, Wallaby, walked to, an elephant sat on Cockatoo. Willoughby, Wallaby, Walkatoo, an elephant sat on Cockatoo. Willoughby, Wallaby, Walla, an elephant sat on Koala. Willoughby, Wallaby, Walla, an elephant sat on Koala. Willoughby, Wallaby, Walkadile, an elephant sat on Crocodile. Willoughby, Wallaby, Walkadile, an elephant sat on Crocodile. Willoughby, Wallaby, Walrus, an elephant sat on Platypus. Whoops. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wadipus, an elephant sat on Platypus. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wake, an elephant sat on Snake. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wake, an elephant sat on Snake. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wingo, an elephant sat on Dingo. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wingo, an elephant sat on Dingo. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wangaroo, an elephant sat on Kangaroo. Willoughby, Wallaby, Wangaroo, an elephant sat on Kangaroo. That was so fun. So, let's see, another game you can play around the house. I gathered some things and I was going to experiment with things that were flexible or rigid. Flexible means that you can bend it and it doesn't break. Rigid means if you were to bend it, it would break. So let's see. Do you think that this boomerang is flexible or rigid? It doesn't bend. It's rigid. So we would put that in a line of rigid things. What about toothpaste? Is that flexible or rigid? It bends. That makes it flexible. That's right. And what about this rock? Is that flexible or rigid? I think it's rigid. Yep, it won't bend. And pipe cleaner. This is definitely flexible. And what's this? A cube. It is rigid. And let's see what else we have. What about this rubber band? Definitely flexible. And a little cord. Definitely flexible. And what about this paper? It's flexible. And marker. It's rigid. So you can experiment with flexible and rigid today. Another thing you might want to even try as another game is things that are shiny or dull. This is shiny because when the light hits it, it reflects. Can you see it sparkle? So that makes it shiny. What about, what about this bird? It's kind of dull, huh? It doesn't really reflect the light. What about this lid? Oh, that's definitely shiny. And an eraser, kind of dull. And let's see, what about this pipe cleaner? It doesn't reflect the light, so it's dull. And maybe one more. Oh, I have a bean. Is this shiny or dull? Actually, if you look up close, it kind of shines in the light. I thought it was going to be dull, but I think it's kind of shiny. So you can experiment with different things, either shiny and dull or flexible and rigid. Have a great day.